Okay, now I just show how the code works, just in case you want to see it. And so you see now I got two different modules here, two different scripts, and one is Pygpoint, and this PowerPoint and Pygame joined together. So when I run it, I can now have my slides here, and if I click on the right, it will go to the next one, and on the left it will go back, or you can use the arrow keys. If you press space, um, this thing will appear here, and you can draw something to useful for your presentation. You can go back and forth, you can close it, can open a new one and draw something on it in case you need them. And so this is the code for to show the images, and this is the code to draw on the blackboard in a different file. And I've just put this event listener here for the when you press space, that will start the other script. And that's all.